नाज़रीन, आपको बताएं, पाक चाइना बिजनेस कॉन्फ्रेंस वज़ीर आज़म मियां मोहम्मद शहबाज शरीफ तकरीब से खिताब कर रहे हैं। आइए आपको बराह रास्त ले चलते हैं।
China in Islamabad, and of course Executive Vice Mayor and his team. But above all, I'd like to thank my Pakistani fellow citizens who have traveled from Pakistan to Shenzhen to participate in this wonderful event, and our Chinese businessmen. This shows and reflects the kind of commitment and the kind of fervor to promote our business and our friendly relations. I am not going to go into a rigmarole of figures which have been ably explained by our finance minister and then, of course, our Deputy Prime Minister and Foreign Minister, who has always mentioned about what was Pakistan in 2018 and how we would move forward in times to come. Ladies and gentlemen, past is past, and if we live in past, we will gain nothing. But if we learn our experience from past, we will gain a lot. And that's what we are here today to achieve through our mutual consultation and B2B discussions. Look at this miraculous transformation of Shenzhen. A few decades ago, it was a small fishing farmer's village. And today, Shenzhen, having a population of only 13 million people, its GDP is hovering around $500 billion. Is it not a miracle of this century? Is it not eighth wonder of the world? And I have to say, my dear fellow Pakistanis, not to deject you or disappoint ourselves, that when we compare Shenzhen's performance with Pakistan's achievement at this point in time, our GDP is hovering around $380 billion and our population is 250 million people. Now this is a very stark comparison, and this shows what? It's a lesson to be learned by all of us. It is through the most untiring efforts, forward-looking vision, starting from late Deng Xiaoping to this day by one of the world's greatest leader, President Xi Jinping's visionary leadership and his dynamism, that China today has become, in this short span of time, the world's second largest economy and the world's second mightiest military force. This is not a small achievement. China was born 2 years after Pakistan opened its eyes in 1947. And if you compare the figures of 50s and 60s, in many ways, our economic indicators were comparatively better than China. And today, there is no comparison. So, ladies and gentlemen, what I really want to sum it here today is that let's not get dejected. Let's put our act together let's resolve to work hard.
वज़ीर आज़म ने कहा, चीन को शानदार बिजनेस कॉन्फ्रेंस के इनेकाद पर मुबारकबाद पेश करता हूँ। चीन के शहर शिंजन ने मुख्तसर मुद्दत में तरक्की के मनाजिल तय की हैं। वज़ीर आज़म मियां मोहम्मद शहबाज शरीफ तकरीब से खिताब कर रहे थे।